Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can disable the autofill feature in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you'd like to turn this feature off, for example, when you don't want the Zen browser to save, I don't know, entries or data you enter here in the browser, like passwords and so on and so forth, you can do this through the browser settings in the Zen browser. To do that, navigate to these three dots in the top left corner to open the application menu, navigate to settings, and here in your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security. Here you will need to scroll down to get to the password section, and here below ask to save passwords. You may use that or you may not, that's up to you. However guys, if you'd like to turn off the autofill for usernames, for example, make sure that you disable this feature. Right, save and autofill usernames, for example. And you can also delete any saved passwords from this menu if you like. However guys, that's totally up to you. So that's at least how it works. That's how we turn off the autofill username feature on Zen browser. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.